Good day, everyone. Today I am doing a review on one that used to be a Kickstarter. Well, they started out with a small one on Kickstarter, and they've gone from there. I was just browsing some old Kickstarters, and then I came across it and found that they were very successful, and they're still going. So I decided to order some things in from them. There's a couple more things I want to order in from them, like their original Kickstarter, but it was a little bit out of my price range, and I was looking for something for my camera that I actually use for filming my products to take out and about and, take pictures and videos of the summertime. So let's get right into the video. I had a little bit of trouble waiting for this, but not a huge deal. It is in now, and I am going to get this open and we will get onto this. This is from a company called COSYSPEED, and they deal in accessories for phone photography, and they do have other stuff for small DSLR cameras and mirrorless cameras. Okay, so we have these two here. I hope there's more inside this because I did order more than this. I did order a kit that this came with. So let's open this up and let's see if the rest of my stuff is in here. Nice little cyclable bag. So I guess I only got half my order from First Feel. They feel well made. It's a nice canvas, nice and thick. I highly doubt this is real leather, but it's a leather-like. Anyway, nice and thick padding. It's got I'm not sure exactly what kind of lock this is. I think it's a FID lock or something like that. It's a magnetic lock anyway. No, and that was an in-screen. Yeah, slide it in, or it just clips in, and then you slide it out. And then you got a pull string to keep it down. At the moment, I'm using my camera, so I'm not going to be able to show it in there until I do an actual review. Maybe once I get my other stuff. This is just kind of like a little unboxing. A little spot here for little pieces, SD cards. I'm guessing battery, maybe. You got your little dividers in here. Show what this is here. I'm guessing. It's like, oh, it's a rain cover. Okay. Side pocket where your phone is supposed to be. And you got a pocket here for batteries or whatever else. And then a little zipper pocket here. I'd probably put cash or something in there. And then you got your belt, which has nice thick padding on it. I'm not going to pop it off just yet. Well, maybe I will because it looks like there's a pocket on there. So pop this out of here. Oh, what? Okay. Sweet. Never seen one like that before. Not sure what that is. Oh, for excess? Yeah, I'm guessing for excess. Nice. I'm guessing that's to go on a belt or something, I guess. I would imagine so. Something like that anyway. I'm not sure. Anyway, well, it's going to have more to show, like this going on what it's supposed to go on to. Oh, wow, it's Velcro and has snaps. That off. What this is supposed to be for, which I don't have yet, you have lenses that you can put on cell phones now and have for a little while now. And I'm going to be getting one, and that's what this is for. You would have it on there like that, and then your lens would be on there, and this would just wrap up around the lens, I think. Or, yeah, I think that's the way it goes. And then it tightens up down here. And then you got this little pouch here, falls down flat. Another little space here for whatever. A couple more. And then this just Velcros off, opens up, and then you have little spaces here that you can put for your lenses. Nicely made. Everything is nice and thick and soft, so it's going to protect everything. Like the zippers too. Nice big pull tabs on them so you can grab them easily. Okay, let's see if this will fit on my camera as well. Enjoy that going. There you go. Really can't wait to get the rest of my order in, which is very unfortunate because this was going to be a lot bigger of a unboxing than this. But oh well. So my first impressions, they're well made, guaranteed. I know they made a good amount on their Kickstarter, which original Kickstarter was this one here, which is their PHONESLINGER Power. So yeah, all in all, first impressions of the bag itself and everything, top quality made. How my delivery went, That's a whole different story because I only got half my order and it kept being delayed by FedEx. So that's really not the company's fault or anything like that. I did send them an email, so hopefully I'll hear back from them sometime in the next 24 hours and see where the rest of my stuff is. That had be about a first for me. I never had only half an order come in and no explanation, or, hopefully it was just a oversight. I will be back in a few weeks after testing this and maybe getting the rest of my stuff in like I should, and I will be back for another actual review of the bags and its accessories. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoy my video, please leave a like and subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. I will be leaving links down below to their website. They do have a sister website not so much a sister website, but another company in the States called Evo Gimbals. I will be leaving all the links in the description below. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed my video review, or unboxing, sorry. Unboxing. Review is yet to come. Thank you very much for watching. Have a good day, and I'll see you in the next video.